iPhoto is a program that has many different features on it. Today I will be showing you the slideshow feature, which allows you to take several photos and make them into a professional looking presentation. To begin, you should first open iPhoto. First, what you're going to want to do is upload any pictures that you want to use to make a slideshow. Once you have them uploaded, you can take them, like I'm showing now, and drag them over one another. This will put them into an event. Once you have all the photos in an event, like this, you can then take them and go down here to the little icon that says Create. Under Create, there is Album, Book, Card, Calendar, and Slideshow. Click on Slideshow. In this, you'll see that at the top, you can see all the photos that you have selected. The first thing that will pop up in the line of photos is a title slide. On this title slide, you can change the name of your slideshow and the title that will be shown. So for now, I'm going to change the name to BHS Staff Directory, and now I'm going to change the title as well. Once you have this done, you can begin editing other things such as the order of your pictures and other things that iPhoto allows you to do. To change your order, you just grab one of the icons with your mouse and move it over and put it into the order that you want to. You can do this any which way, and you are unlimited in the amount of orders that you can put them in. Once you have this done, you can come down to the bottom and click on the Themes icon. In the Themes icon, there is a drop-down menu that has many different themes to choose from. These are preset and automatically put your photos into a nice looking presentation. Once a theme is chosen, you can then take your pictures and move them around in the order so that they fit into the presentation nicely. And then once in there, you can actually click on the photos and drag them so they show the parts of the photos that you want to show. As you can see, by clicking on each photo, it'll show you how the photo will come up in the presentation. Once you have selected what order you want them in, you can then select how long they will stay on the screen. You can either have them fit to music, which you can choose from any preset music that the iPhoto has, or you can upload your own from iTunes. Once you have that chosen, you can also go to settings for this slide and change the different photo effects. Then, once you already have music set, you can also come over to the music icon in the bottom right, and this menu will pop up. In this menu, you can choose from different presets that the iPhoto has, or you can hit a custom playlist from iTunes. After that, you can export or play. I would prefer to play it first to check for any errors. As you can see, this one is moving very slowly. So to fix that, what you're going to want to do is hit escape to get out of the presentation. And then once you're out of the presentation, you go down to your settings. And once in your settings, if you go to all slides, you can change the amount of time each slide is played to make it fit better and make it more presentable. Once you have the desired time, you can go back into the same preview setting and play it one more time to see if there's anything else that needs to be changed. As you can see this time, the slides are moving much faster and a lot more smooth. Once you are satisfied with the finished product, you can get out of the preview and go to export it. In order to export an iPhoto slideshow, you can choose from many options on where to save it. To export, you click on the export icon, and this drop-down menu will pop up. You can choose what size that you would like your slideshow to be presented in. Medium is probably the best because it's able to be used on the most devices and it takes up the least amount of space. Once you choose the size, then you can choose where to save it to. I'm going to save it to my iPhoto slideshows so it's easy to find. Now you hit export and it will save it to your slideshows, which can then be pulled up in either iTunes or your files. This has been a very basic video on how to make different iPhoto slideshows with using the different features to create one. Hope you've enjoyed this video and that you can make your own iPhoto slideshow.